Don't get mad at me.
First class cabin only. You may board at this time. First class cabin only.
Hey, how are you? Thank you.
I know. I'm holding her hand. What would you like?
Is Hopkins right for it?
Buttons?
Yes.
wonder what river that is.
I was just tell me.
Big.
Yeah.
On the yellow line, Pentagon City.
Come on, I was like, oh my god.
It's a vibe.
Something like they found a gang of roaches and had to hit them all at once. It was. I was like, no fucking way. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. No, my room was clean because I'm Haitian. I just have to do it. But
My classmates will tell you I don't drive out.
I get it. I'm not a big.
That this is right.
You're fine, Saskia. You're fine. Okay. Why?
Because you'll see why.
Okay.
You'll see why.
Okay, I'll see why.
Oh, that's a little GoPro, period.
This is a DT
Whatever, same thing, child.
You know. But girl, I've had this
You don't know anything about them at all?
No. Girl, I saw Just this looks like 2 days ago. I'm pretty sure they don't know nothing about me. I don't know nothing about them.
Why is the traffic? Because the PA school at Howard, for some reason, is under the College of Nursing.
Okay.
So there's.
I see it. HU.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I'm mad about. I'm not gonna be. If it was my age, that bitch did it on purpose. Cause ain't nobody jumping in no random cars.
Like I was just like, and we saw her get in the car. Like it was
residential.
Time in DC.
Yes.
Oh my gosh! And you moved. Oh my, that's crazy.
Yeah. You like.
Treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. Heart is eating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to me, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me, and it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more. See, my days are cold without you. Like you, and my heart can't take no more. No more. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you.
Good. Okay.
What a feeling! You didn't feel none of that. Oh my God.
Let's just say, no. I like my music was slow, and there was no soul in there.
Goodbye. Thank you. Avicii had got so big time rush got sold out. Okay. Thank you.
I get it. I promise you, I understood every word he said. I speak English.
God.
It's just my coochie didn't get. He does not have it for me. He has it for you.